how to set up payment preference using Western Union. In order to do that, first of all, you have to log into your Western Union website and log into your profile. After that, you have to navigate to your profile icon. Just simply click on your profile icon. After entering the profile, just scroll down a little bit. You have to find payment preference. As you can see here, just simply click on the payment preference. Just click on the continue. From here, you can add a debit card and credit card. So if you want to add a new card, just simply click on the new card. If you want to add a bank account, you can just simply click on the bank accounts. After clicking on the bank accounts from here, you have to add a new bank account. Just simply click on this. Now, if you want to log into your online bank, just simply you have to search the bank. If you want to add manually, you can just simply click on the manually now. You have to fill all the information like account type, account number, and routing number. And after that, you have to enter the confirm account number. Just after filling all the information related to bank, just simply click on the continue. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.